Welcome to the installation of agileSI. agileSI will be delivered with a very detailed installation and administration guidebook that will step-by-step describe and explain the necessary steps of the installation, including screenshots for each action item and step. Customers, SAP Basis administrators could easily install agileSI for production or proof of concept reasons. For an installation, please refer to our guidebook. The following will give you a closer look at the installation process. In our guidebook you will find further details. There are two parts of the agileSI installation. There is the import of transports and the configuration work on the SAP server on the one hand side, and on the other there is agileSI configuration frontend to set up and run agileSI. The following will deal with the import of transports and the necessary steps on the SAP system. In transaction STNS IMPORT, agileSI transports will be imported into or deployed on the SAP system. Please refer to installation README text file for installation sequence and request numbers. agileSI is delivered with built-in authorization and security concepts. The agileSI profiles, based on the appropriate roles, need to be generated in transaction PFCG. SAP provides a special RFC technology called background RFC with highest level of quality delivery. The following will show how to set up background RFC framework. First of all, a background RFC super user needs to be created. This account must be of type system user and needs a special SAP standard role, background RFC supervisor. Second, the background RFC destination background RFC supervisor needs to be created. Technical settings must be initial. Provide user background RFC super in logon details and set protocol to background RFC. Furthermore, background RFC settings need to be defined in transaction as background RFC conf. In tab defined inbound destination, provide an inbound destination name adding the queue prefixes as shown. In tab define supervisor destination, enter the background RFC supervisor destination created before. The following shows an overview on background RFC destinations between systems and the technical system users needed within destinations. agileSI Core is usually installed on dedicated servers like the Solution Manager. Core servers provide a core and an agent layer of agileSI functionality. The remote and monitored agent systems only need to have the agileSI agent package or layer installed. On the core system, a technical core user plus a technical agent user needs to be created. On the agent systems, the agent user is sufficient. These technical users are system users and will be needed in the logon settings of background RFC destinations between systems. The core system provides a loopback destination from core to the agent layer as well as a destination to each agent system. The agent layer of the core system as well as all agent systems need a background RFC destination back to the core system. These destinations address either the core or the agent layer, and the appropriate technical user needs to be used within. On core system only, the technical user of the core layer needs to be defined. Make sure the correct agileSI role core admin is used and the user type is set to system. On core agent layer and on all agent systems, the technical user of the agent layer needs to be created. Make sure that the correct agileSI agent role is used and the user type is set to system. The background RFC destinations from the core agent layer to the core layer need to be implemented on the core system as a loopback destination. Same for all agent systems in the landscape to send back data to the core system. Make sure the correct technical user, core admin, is used in Logon and Security tab, and protocol is set to background RFC. The background RFC destinations from core to all agent layers need to be implemented on the core system only. The name of the destination should represent the SID the destination is targeting at. Make sure that the correct technical user, agileSI RFC agent, is used in the Login and Security tab, and protocol again is set to background RFC. In transaction file, a logical file name needs to be maintained. The physical directory needs to be provided by system administrators to be accessible by agileSI. agileSI configuration frontend is designed in SAP WebDimpro, a proprietary web technology of SAP. In transaction SICF, the agileSI WebDimpro service needs to be activated manually. The URL of the service can be retrieved by using the context menu entry test service. In SMICM, make sure that a valid port number is set for HTTP service. To log in into agileSI WebDimpro application, a front-end user needs to be created. This account needs to be a dialog user with agileSI role core admin. Now the agileSI core configuration frontend can be accessed for agileSI setup.